In this video, you will learn how to create and embed a shoppable Instagram gallery on WooCommerce using a social commerce platform like WooCommerce. So, here is a step-by-step guide. Create a new account for free, or log into your existing WooCommerce account. You will see the dashboard. Click on the Shoppable Galleries section in the sidebar. Now create a new shoppable gallery. Give your gallery a name and enter a unique URL for it. Then click on Create Shoppable Gallery button. A pop-up will appear. To add feed to the shoppable gallery, choose Instagram Business as the source from the given options. Now a new pop-up will appear. Choose the feed type like hashtag, handle, mentions, and tagged. Let's choose hashtag as an example. Click on the Create Feed button and complete the authentication process securely from the source. Once you have added the feed successfully, you will now get the posts from your Instagram business account into your shoppable gallery. Now click on Add Products under the Product Catalog menu in sidebar. Now you can choose one of the two given options for uploading products. Import product list. You can upload CSV files to add multiple products at once. To follow the format provided in the sample CSV file there. The other option is to add products manually one at a time. Fill in the necessary details and add a photo in the pop-up to upload a single product. Once you have successfully added your products, now move on to tagging the products. Now click on the Tag Products menu under the Product Catalog section. You will see all your posts with a Tag Products option under each post. Click on Tag Products to tag your product to the chosen post. You can add up to 4 products per post. And you can tag products to as many posts as you like in your shoppable gallery. Once you have made your Instagram feed shoppable by tagging products, now you can personalize and moderate your Instagram shoppable gallery with options like themes, customize, CTA button, moderate, etc. This will help you make your shoppable Instagram gallery look engaging and appealing. Once you complete this, then you can move to embedding your Instagram shoppable gallery on website. On the sidebar menu, click on the Publish button in the bottom left corner. Choose HTML as your website CMS platform. After choosing the website CMS, you can adjust the height and width of the shoppable Instagram gallery. Now click on the Get Code button. A unique code will appear. Copy the given code and paste it on the back end of your web page, or share the code using Tagbox Share option. Navigate to your website editor page and click on Add New under Products section in the sidebar. Fill the product details. Now click on the Text button and paste the copied code there. Click the Publish button. Kudos! You have successfully embedded your shoppable Instagram gallery on WooCommerce.